morning. I don't know what happened, but we're in Nassau. Not Half Moon Key. But we're doing something a little different this morning. We're going to eat in our room.
Toast.
Nassau. So I got some Cinnamon Toast Crunch, so healthy. But if you read Raisin Bran, it has more sugar in it than this does. A coffee. She got a bagel and some toast and some fruit. And?
Those are condiments.
There's your bagel, and those are the...
and then you got orange juice.
Cream and orange juice. All right.
Continental breakfast.
Charlie ho. Burgers here. They make pancakes. Hello. Pancakes. Those are not burgers.
Burgers later.
Later.
For now, we're preparing for the breakfast.
Right. Sugar in a glass.
Oh, you can't. There you go. You got bookends. You got the one bookend.
Chug them all. Got me a spicy chicken jerk sandwich here at Sharkeez. So long, Nassau. Again, unscheduled stop. Supposed to be heading to the Dominican, but we haven't heard any difference, and that's about where the hurricane is. There's your, right there is your Margaritaville Sea Paradise. All right, see you at dinner. Atlantis. We just got a warning because we're getting into Hurricane Aaron.
Yeah, they said they're closed to all the outside places, and everybody watch how they're walking on board because we're going to get some really strong winds the next up to 12 hours. So now I'm kind of scared.
I'm
but
not.
now we're going to dinner, so
Yep.
at least we'll have a good last meal.
That's all I care about, dinner.
Please, let's go
All right, so we're heading to dinner, and we'll bring that menu right about.
now.
I got 2 pasta visuals.
The other white meat.
They all got nothing.
I got some.
None of them.
I got some.
Yeah, just what you don't need. Spaghetti carbonara as an appetizer, and so did Matt. Matt's got the sirloin. Terry got the sirloin. And I got nothing. I got the spaghetti carbonara.
Give me another one of these when you get a chance.
Fruit plate. Terry got the banana cream pie, and Max got Shocker vanilla ice cream.
Can't go wrong.
All right, baby, where are we going?
We're not going. We're already here. We're sitting, waiting for the Deal or No Deal to start. We got here about 7, and the Deal or No Deal show starts at 7:30. So we're going to see that and see if they win the money.
I'm not playing though.
We'll bring it to you.
Or should I say I'm not losing? All right, we'll bring it to you right about now. Sucker me just bought a card, but I did it on my phone. So I'll put that up there for you. You never know.
Right win.
We'll see. I haven't been lucky so far.
Out to a Deal or No Deal. I am super excited to be able to have a chance to be able to take to the stage and have some fun with y'all, as we're going to have a chance to be able to play out and see who's going to be walking away some happy campers. But here's the deal. I need the older one said it first. Oh, the younger one said it first. Basically, this is all based upon you. So if this is good, yay. If not, going up for adoption. Oh, okay. Bo, just so you know, if you say no, it's down to what you have in the cases. So, Bo. Got you, okay. Do you need an emotional support hand? On this one? Okay. Absolutely. All right. Bro code. And all the girls are taking over upstairs. All right, here we go. It's time to find out, Bo, what you are not walking away with. It's time to open up case number 9. I can feel your pulse in your hand. Oh my gosh. Come on. I don't like that reaction.
Do it, Donna. Shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. Well, good evening. We're in the lobby bar, as you can see. Got the violinist up yonder.
And we just got out of the Deal or No Deal and Pat did not win.
No, you saw. I bought the cards. I've done like 6 of those cards. I've never matched
He never wins.
one box.
But he keeps
Ever.
buying them.
I haven't bought one in like 2 years. So critical of me. And she's drinking the chocolate martini before me.
So good.
They're so
This is a
good.
good game.
All right, so seas are rough. We're in the hurricane, right on the edge of it. So it's a little rough,
It's a
but
rocking and a rolling.
she's a rocking and a rolling, and we're heading further into it. And tomorrow's a sea day, so we'll be rocking and rolling all day tomorrow. All right, we'll see. She's going to bed. You know where I'm going. See you in the morning.
Thank you. Now, who's watching this for the first time, by the way?